What's going on today, guys? My name is Jeff, and over the past couple of days, I've gotten a lot of questions, comments, and inquiries about the MagneGas core reverse split. So I decided I was going to make a little video. We're going to kind of go through this, kind of talk about what all took place with the reverse split. Then I will also kind of tell you where I stand with this company at the end of the video. But if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content or update videos. And please drop a like on this video, guys. That really helps me and I appreciate all the support. Alright, so let's talk about MagneGas. So the first thing you will probably notice, guys, right here is that it is no longer the MagneGas Corp. They have actually went through a rebranding process, but it is now called Toronis Technologies Incorporated, and the ticker symbol is still MNGA. I would say the most common question I've got is what do I think, or kind of what is my opinion, where do I stand on this reverse split? You know, do I think it was a good thing? Do I think it was a bad thing? I could probably make, 2 or 3 different videos off of this subject, but a reverse split is always viewed as a negative thing. A traditional stock split is viewed as a very positive thing, okay? A recent example that I can think of, I want to say it was back in 2015, and it was when Netflix was trading well over $800 a share, and they did a 10-to-1 split back on the stock. And guys, what that did, it made the stock more affordable for retail investors. That way people would not have to pay $800 per share to be invested in Netflix. Now, since then, a lot of other services have come in even to disrupt that, like M1 Finance. Now you can buy stocks on a fractional basis. So I've noticed that a lot of companies have actually started getting away from splitting the stock price. But in this case of MagneGas Core or Toronis Technologies, a reverse split is usually done so a stock can gain liquidity, okay? It is very hard to get buy and sell orders to fill, when the stock is trading around 15 cents or 15 3/10 of a cent, okay? It's very difficult to get stock orders to fill on the buy and sell side, okay? And also, guys, this does get the stock price up so they do not have to worry temporarily about being delisted from the NASDAQ. So let's jump in to their split history quick, guys. MagneGas has actually had 3 splits in their history, okay? And the first one took place on May 22nd of 2017, and this was a 1-for-10 reverse split. And if you want to read this article and try to understand, the concept a little bit more in your own time, I will have this article linked up down in the comment section, so feel free to take a look at it. Their second split took place on January 17th of 2018, and this was a 1-for-15 reverse split. Now, guys, let's talk about their most current split. The one that took place just a few days ago on February 1st of 2019. Now, this was a 1-for-20 reverse split. So that means for every 20 shares of MagneGas stock you own, you received 1 share, and I believe the price was at $3, okay? Now, I want to say right before the reverse split took place, MagneGas was trading at 15 cents. So let's just do the math on it. 15 cents times 20 shares equals 3, okay? For every 20 shares of stock you owned, you received 1 in return with a value of $3. And so, like I mentioned, the real gain here, or the real reason behind doing this, is so the stock would gain liquidity. Basically, make it easier for retail investors to trade in and out of this stock, and for orders to fill a lot easier, okay? So what struck me as interesting, I got a lot of comments where people were, mentioning to me that they're very happy that they held on to their shares of MagneGas. They woke up and in their account, their stock was now worth $3 a share. And I don't think they quite had an understanding of just what exactly happened, okay? Because they took 20 shares from you and gave you 1 back in return worth $3. And so now let me be clear about a few things. I'm not saying it is out of the realm of possibility that they could turn this whole thing around and start going back in a bullish direction and possibly have a profitable business again someday. But what I am saying is that it really does look, like bankruptcy is a very strong possibility. And the odds are really not in this company's favor anymore. Like I said, 3 reverse splits in less than 2 years, okay? So this is the 1-year chart, guys. And again, I'm just going to tell you, just go ahead and ignore the price. Like I said, it is all on a reverse split basis. But you know, over the past year, guys, this market cap has been depleted and drained. And like I said, it is in a really terrible place right now. So I don't say this, you know, to upset you or make you mad or try and trigger anything. I'm saying this because I care about you. I care about each and every one of you, and I don't want you to lose any more money. But there is a lot better ways to invest money than MagneGas, guys. And so I'll just briefly mention this before I log off, guys. This would be the date to be plugged in right here. On February 13th, that is just a few days away, MagneGas will have their earnings date. Okay, so they're set to report earnings on that day. I'll make a video, you know, once we get the results of that call. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for today's video. Make sure to drop a thumbs up, and if you have any more questions or comments, go down to the comment section and sound off. I will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, have a great day.